If you're encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with syncing cloud saves. Step 2. Restart Steam on your device. Close the Steam application completely and restart it. If the issue persists, reboot your Steam Deck to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 4. Check Cloud Save settings. Go to Steam Settings and ensure that cloud saving is enabled for the specific game. You can find this under the Cloud tab in the Settings menu. Make sure the option to keep cloud saves enabled is checked. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help reset any problematic configurations and ensure that the game is properly synced with the cloud. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Steam Deck. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.